go inside. He has a doctor's appointment. Bias, are you gonna go in? You're too excited to go in? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, huh? They're expecting a second, so we can come to line.
No peeing, ah? Shh, shh. No peeing, just smell them.
If you want to read the full chart, all right.
No peeing.
Okay, and that was when we had his last wellness.
Okay, he's already inside his room. We're just waiting for the vet to come in, and he's ready to go home. You wanna go home now? Waiting for the door. Not yet, boy. We're waiting for your vet. Almost, boy. What? Hey, we're waiting for your vet. You gotta chill. Sit down. Sit.
And your last name is?
He's good. He's done. So we're going home. Freedom. So far, he's good. We're just gonna keep eye on him, see if there's changes on his behavior, if he starts coughing. So we have to bring him back here if ever. So hopefully not. Oh, my old man. Let's go home now? Yeah, you wanna go home now? Let's go.